Duplicating content is something that authors often want to do. Let's look at a typical use case. Firstly, let's open an item that I'm going to want to reuse. A typical scenario might be a passage in the left column and different questions on the right-hand side. So I want to ask a series of questions based on the one set of stimulus. If this one is ready to go, I'm happy with the passage and I have my first question. All I need to do is come and choose duplicate item from the drop-down menu next to the save button. That will quickly save and give me a new item. Now I can come into the title and add a new title. I can come into the question now and add a different question. And then I can click Save. That is now done. If I go back to my list view, I can see I have two. They both have the same passage, they both have an essay, they both have the same tags, but of course the question is now different. It's important to note with items that have been duplicated, passages are shared by default. This is a typical use case that we see. So what happens is my duplicated item, this question could be changed, obviously the question content, even the question type could be changed. The passage though is a shared passage. If I go to edit it, I can see that it's actually shared, in this case, across 71 items. Any changes I make in here are replicated and distributed across all those 71 items. You can also duplicate activities. Let's say I have an activity which is just a collection of items ready to go, and all I want to do is duplicate that. Now I might want to do this if I'm sharing an activity with a different content author and I want to give them the ability to make any modifications to the questions within this activity safely. Or you could give them the same items but they want different player settings, so you could do that as well. The principle is the same. Choose duplicate activity from the drop-down menu. We'll give you a notification here saying that the process is underway. We do this because activities can be quite large, and here I am on the duplicate activity. Same item content but a deep copy of them, a full copy of all the items, all the questions, all the tags. A content creator can now safely modify any of the content here, any of the player settings, without impacting the original activity. Duplication is available today for items and activities. Consult the docs for more information.